So hi everyone, I'm Hassan Yafufi and this is our lightning talk for our Capstone project.
Hi, my name is Caleb Hawley. I worked on the back end, and this project is called Research Finder.
Hello, my name's Zachary Marcotte. I am the front end.
My name is Nick Taylor. I was kind of the lead developer of the backend essentially, and developed the key features there.
So, Research Finder is an online networking platform where researchers are able to find help with their research projects, either participants, assistants, or other kind of involvement. We aim to bridge the gap between researchers and the people they need. Research Finder has two types, researchers and assistants. Researchers are able to post listings for help with specifications on who or what is desired and what is offered in return. Assistants are able to browse and search through these postings and apply to the listings that they wish to. Then, letting researchers reject or accept applicants to their project in their dashboard.
All right, as you just saw, this is a live feed. This is coming straight from the back end. Each application has its own profile. They're not yet active, like we can't apply to them yet. We do have the sign in feature working. I'm just going to do the Google sign in. Bam. We'll go to the user page. This is general user page. We have an inbox, not yet set up. We can add posts. We just have to finish up some of the routing to complete the posting.
So on the back end, when developing the routes, the main principle that we were kind of going with is making CRUD routes, which stands for creating resources, reading and updating resources, and deleting resources. So, for all the kind of categories of routes that I'm going to be talking about that we made, those features essentially exist for all of the items I'm going to kind of mention. So we have kind of those management related routes for creating and managing researchers and assistants, as well as messages. So the researchers and assistants have inboxes for getting notifications related to applications. So the researcher, for example, will get a notification whenever a assistant applies to their post, and a assistant will get a notification in their inbox whenever a researcher approves or denies their application. So we made routes for the messages as well as applications. So those kind of work closely together. Um, another kind of category of routes that we made on the back end was the search bar. So it actually queries the Firebase database and will pull relevant posts based off what you search. And this is something that we kind of plan to expand on in the next sprint, is making the searches a little bit more relevant, maybe adding in some tag features, just making it a little bit easier for researchers and assistants to get connected.
So, for the next sprint, our plans are to make the search bar, like Nick said, fully functional. And with that search bar, we want to be able to increment the display of the posts that we pulled from the Firebase that you just saw. We want both of the inboxes to be usable by the users. We want tags to be applied to posts, so when you use the search bar, you can filter through them. And for the next sprint, we also want to flesh out current features, like we want the posts to be, when you click on them, to bring up more information about them. We want researchers to be able to accept or reject people, and we want applicants to be able to be notified of when they have been accepted or rejected.